Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn about the word to in simple English. To is a small word, but it is very important. We use it every day in many different ways. First, to shows direction. When we move somewhere, we use to. For example, I go to school. Here are more examples. She travels to London. We walk to the park. To shows where we are going. Second, to shows purpose. It tells us why we do something. I study to learn new things. More examples of purpose. He works to help his family. We exercise to stay healthy and strong. Third, we use to before verbs. These are called infinitive verbs. To eat, to sleep, to play. We use infinitives in sentences. I want to eat. They like to play. To comes before the verb. Fourth, to helps us tell time. When it is 10 to 5, the time is 4:50. More time examples. 5 to 7 means 6:55. Quarter to 9 means 8:45. Fifth, we use to for giving and talking. Give the book to me. Talk to your friend. More examples. She gave a gift to him. I spoke to my teacher. To connects people. Sixth, to helps us compare things. She is taller compared to me. We see the difference. More comparisons. This book is better to read. Compared to last year, I am stronger now. To shows range. The shop is open from 9 to 5. The temperature is 20 to 25 degrees. Let's see a practical example. I go to the market. Then I go to the bank. To shows direction. Another example. I study hard to pass the test. To shows my purpose for studying. She likes to sing and to dance. Is used with infinitive verbs here. The train leaves at 10 to 6. To helps us tell the exact time. I gave the book to my friend. I talked to her about it. To connects actions and people. This car is faster compared to that one. To helps us make comparisons clearly. The sale is from Monday to Sunday. To shows the range of days for the sale. Remember, to is small but very important. It helps us talk about direction, purpose, time, and more. Quick quiz. What does to show here? I am going blank school. The answer is to. Another quiz. She wants blank eat. Choose the correct word. The answer is to. Now practice saying these sentences. I want to learn. He goes to the park. Great job. Fun fact. To is one of the most used words in English. You will use it every day. To makes sentences clear. It shows action and meaning. It helps you speak better English. Keep learning with Wordscience. We make English simple and easy for everyone to understand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wordscience for more easy English lessons. See you next time.